Welcome the our channel. Today we how to transfer your Gmail labels to a new Google account, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer your Gmail labels to a new Google account, start by signing into your old Gmail account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings by clicking the gear icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. In the Settings menu, click on the Labels tab. Here, you will see a list of all your existing labels. To manage these labels, look for the option to show or hide labels and adjust them as needed. Next, open the Accounts and Import tab in the settings. Under the Import Mail and Contacts section, click on Import Mail and Contacts. Type in your new Gmail account and click Continue. You may need to verify that you own the new account by signing in. Once verified, choose the import options that suit your needs. You can choose to import emails and keep a copy in your old account. Select Import to begin the transfer process. The system will start copying your emails, including labels, to your new account. This process may take some time, depending on the number of emails you have. After the import is complete, sign into your new Gmail account. Check your labels on the left sidebar to confirm the transfer was successful. If your labels do not appear, refresh the inbox. You can now organize or modify these labels as needed in your new account. Keep in mind that some settings may not transfer, so check them individually. Now your Gmail labels are successfully transferred to your new Google account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.